UK citizen Karen Cleary missing in Jamaica since Sunday, November 25th.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Relatives and friends in two countries are now in a tizzy as they try frantically to locate their loved one, Karen Cleary, a 44-year-old hairdresser and beautician who went missing in Jamaica on Sunday, November 25th. Cleary, who lives in London in the United Kingdom, is also a resident of Boscobel housing scheme in St. Mary, where relatives have confirmed that she is constructing a house. Her spouse, Andy Keane, who is in the United Kingdom, stated that the family is distraught, especially because Cleary is accustomed to making daily contact with close relatives. This disappearance is totally out of character for her. She would speak to her mother, Valerie Williams, and myself at least once daily. She's always very cautious about where she goes and who she mixed with, as she understands the dangers existing in Jamaica. She would never go 5 days without contacting her family and loved ones, Kane asserted. Kane said he has received information that Karen allegedly left her house in St. Mary around 9 p.m. on Sunday with friends, 2 females and a male, who are believed to be visitors to the island. They were thought to be heading to Portmore in St. Catherine in a black SUV. But personally, anyone who knows her does not believe that for 1 minute. He also indicated that his spouse was a go-getter. Karen is a lovely lady who does not allow jealousy or envy to get in the way of her dreams. She's always wanting her friends and family to do better for themselves. Kane intends to visit Jamaica within days to assist with the search, which he said now involves the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Kane has been insisting that a report about the suspected disappearance of his spouse has been made to the Oracabessa police station in St. Mary. However, up to the time of this publication, the Oracabessa police were contending that they have no records of any such report.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.